Oo. Nag-i-stop eh.
63, final free throw. It's good.
Nag-i-stop eh.
Baka walang story. Muray na lang ako.
To Salmate. Salmate, power move. Okay, hindi mo may Salmate again. Salmate, Salmate, pass to the basket. Wow, second shoot. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Katansky Vasquez. 3 seconds violation. 25-22, 3-point lead by Katansky Vasquez. Helia. What a pick. So number. Lucky, people by Jersey. Jersey pushing through. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Katansky Vasquez again. Probably without license again ang sabi ni Pastor. Arsen. I-shoutout din natin, baka gusto nyo ng honey. Bili na kayo kay Pastor. Napakasarap ng kanyang honey. Tamas, Pastor Camper. Tayo, hindi pa ba number 4? Number 4. Foul. Foul by jersey number 29. Damasco, penalty. First personal foul. Penalty. Shooting to Santiago. First shot is good. Second shot. Makukuha kaya? It's no good. Di mo na by Jersey. 26-22. 1 minute 48 seconds. Del Valle. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Katansky Vasquez again. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Helia pass to Urbano de Degree. Elbow. To Briggs. Jersey. Pass to Sevillano de Degree. Nugget by 2 points. Jersey. Melia pushing through. Melia 2 points. After 20, Melia. Salvante to Jersey. 15 seconds to shoot. Salvante taking 3. Salvante. 50 seconds. Block by Salvante. Rebound by 15 seconds to shoot. Santiago. Santiago foul. Foul by jersey number 12. Seriliano, third personal foul. Penalty. Shooting to Santiago. First shot is good. Second shot. It's no good. Rebound by Seriliano. Seriliano. Foul by jersey number 2. RJ Melia. Second team foul. First personal foul. Shooting to Andrew Seriliano. First shot. It's no good.
Tangina, nag-i-stop ang puta.
Second shot. Makukuha kaya? It's no good again. Rebound by Santiago. Pass to Melia. Melia. 2 points.